I'll fix this wobbly doorknob. Alright. Alright, I'm screwing it in. Right, got the first screw in. Right. Screwing it in. And done. Doorknob is now stable. I'm just going running. Once I get back home, I'll have to work hard on my iOS 7 script for my iOS 7 review. I might as well start my warm-up right now. I got a new frame for my bed, but I'm going to build it tomorrow because it's late right now and I have to go to bed. Alright, came back from school and on to finishing the script. I doubt I'll have it done by today, though. But I have to do it soon because soon the iOS 7 topic will be down. I think I will be finishing my script today. I'm just tinkering around with my laptop to see the possibilities of replacing the fan, but unfortunately I for some reason couldn't get to the fan, but there's a reason. Because inside where the motherboard is, there are still some things that are connected, and I can't just rip it because, or else the computer won't work if I rip it. But the interesting thing is that this computer only has 4 gigs of RAM and only on like a single stick. When I replace this RAM, when I upgrade this RAM, I'm gonna take this RAM and put it into an older laptop to upgrade that one. Alright, but I couldn't get to the fan, so I guess I'll have to put everything back together. I already put the hard drive back in, and yeah, but I'll put everything back together. I didn't have time to work on the script for my iOS 7 review because of homework. I know for how much longer I'm gonna work on the script. I know how much longer I'm gonna work on the review in general, because the iOS 7 topic will be down soon. I'm just reading a C++ tutorial. In case you don't know what that is, it's a programming language. If you want to download this tutorial, I'll give you the link in the description. You could download it on your iPad, download on your iOS or Android device, or on your computer as a PDF and read it from there. I'll give you the link in the description. The link will be in the description. So go to it if you want to learn C++, like programming. So if you want to become a programmer and you don't know a single line of code, then go to the description and check the link. I just got back home and it smells like shit. Freaking garbage. Gotta take it out. Oh, my goddamn garbage. Oh, smells like shit. Oh, 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 god damn it. Wow, this chocolate is good. It's strawberry chocolate. Never ate strawberry chocolate before. Should I build the bed or work on my iOS 7 script? I'm probably gonna go with the script. But if that is, then I know when I'll find time to build this bed. But I'll see. I'll find some time. I'm feeling kind of sick. So I made myself some hot chocolate. Even if I'm feeling unwell, I still have to finish the script. I don't think I'll be going to Saturday school tomorrow. I feel sick. So I'm just watching some videos by Chris Perillo. And by the way, if you're a geek, like in anything, in sci-fi, tech, in like pretty much anything, or maybe like geeks in like collections, sci-fi, tech, that kind of stuff, I think you should go check him out. You'll get hooked. You'll get hooked into watching his videos if you're a geek like me. If you're a geek like me, then you'll get hooked into watching his videos. The link will be in the description. Just got back from grocery shopping and I'm gonna go outside again to run. I might as well start my warm-up right now. I'm almost done my warm-up, and once I do, I'll start running. I came back from my run, and I feel tired. Thanks for liking, subscribing, following me on Twitter and Google+. Bye.